What's going on, guys? It's Justin here from Summit Racing, and we're here with Will from Silver Sport Transmission, and he's going to tell us about their EasyFit transmission kits for a lot of popular applications.
A lot, yeah. For most applications, we have everything you need. So we start off with a TKX transmission. That's the 5-speed Tremec transmission. And what you're going to get with this kit is going to be a crossmember, the yoke, obviously the transmission, shifter, and the pigtails needed for that application, meaning your speedo and your reverse lights, right? But every application is different, so that's real important to put that information in your website. And so like a Dodge Dart or whatever, that has a different shifter location than OE, than what it comes with. So we want to know that so we can put the shifter in the right location. So when you get it, it's set up and ready to go.
Yeah, and that's really cool you guys are doing this. Whether, you're swapping from an automatic car, or, you're building a resto mod, or, getting away from your grandpa's 4-speed and getting to, into a 5-speed, and with a McLeod clutch as well.
Yeah,
so
that's the thing is there's so many additions that we can do. I mean, you can see all these different, pedals, shifters, knobs, and there's all kinds of different things, clutches, hydraulics, everything comes along with it. Or not with it, but you can add it onto that cell.
Yeah, it's kind of, and this stuff being available through Summit Racing, it's kind of a one-stop shop for you guys. So you can get everything you need to put a TKX in your car, and if you haven't drove a car with a TKX in it yet, once you do, you're absolutely going to love it.
It's a game changer.
Yeah,
it's a game changer.
They brought something really great to the market, and, people are just eating it up.
Yeah.
So if you guys are interested in one of these EasyFit kits, head over to summitracing.com or one of our 4 retail store locations. Or if you're not sure exactly what you need, call into our customer service line and the folks over there will be able to get you taken care of. So I appreciate you taking the time to talk to us today, Will, and I might see one of these in my future.
You might.